Have you ever wondered how can you create this text following path effect, like in After Effects? If you stick around, I will show you every step of it. Hey everyone, this is Filmora Mastery. Consider subscribing for smart editing tips. Now I have this image right here, which I am going to use as the example. And as you can guess, I would like to make a title that follows this stream, right here, right through until the end of the image. Very quick. I add a quick title right here, and then I would like to customize this text right here.
I used to struggle, lost in frames.
First of all, I would like to write inside this text something like the smallest stream ever. All right? So if you scroll down a little bit right here, like in this way, you are going to see this option right here, which is the Bezier path. You are going to see these three options: the path offset, the animation duration, and the animation loop. But away with that for now. All right, we want to focus right here on the previous screen of our title. All right, so the very first thing that we're going to do is to press one of these little dots right here, which seems to be the keyframes. All right, so just regard them as keyframe, but they are actually the cave points. All right, they direct your title, like in this case, right here. I can just select this first one right here and then drag it wherever I want to be, the very first point of the whole thing. And then after that, the simplest way is to select again the last one and then drag it to the very end of the streamline, this way, right here. And then after that, I'm just going to add some in between right here and then direct them according to the stream. All right, you getting that? Now if you double select this keyframe thing, you remove it all. Right? But if you just select the line, you add another one now. If you notice, you realize that when you press one of these keyframe points here, you start to see the two ends that shows up right here. And these are the most important thing for this whole process. All right? They allow you to make the cave according to the place that you want to follow the path. All right? As you can see, right here, if I can use this as an example right here, it actually shapes how the path caves, okay? And I think that is clear enough, my dear friend. All right.
Before Filmora 14, I was lost, chasing shadows, counting costs, but now the work feels like a song. With every clip, I just belong.
Once that's done, let's come back to our Properties tab on the offset. This is where you said which letter should come first, all right? Like if I move it around right here, you can see from the preview window right here that is changing the text that comes first, all right? So this simply defines which letters start appearing, all right? Now down here is the animation duration. If you reduce the duration of this thing, the animation is going to be like blazing fast, and sometimes you don't like that. You want it to follow, like, you know, like the speed that you can think the river can flow with. All right, just make it look natural and real. All right, so for that, you have to increase the duration here so that it becomes slow. All right, and of course, this is the loop option. If you select the loop option right here, you make it repeat when it goes to the very end. It comes back again, and then until the end of your title, right? That was so simple and so fast. Thank you so much, my dear friend, for watching this video. I think I like this feature from Filmora. I'm looking forward to many more wonderful and impressing features in the future. And until I see you, my friend, in the next episode, right here on the screen, peace.